So that's one sort of strange problem we can see. Here's another type. In previous lessons, we've been given values in a table and then used those values to estimate the integral of a function. In this problem, we're going to be given the value of the estimate, and then we're going to have to find something else, going backwards in a sense. So this problem says the function f is continuous on the closed interval from 3 to 9, so those brackets just mean including 3, including 9, and it has the values given in the table below. So right down here, when x is 3, f of x is 11, so on. The trapezoidal approximation of the integral from 3 to 9 of f of x dx, found with the values in the table, is 24. What's the value of k? And notice there's a k right here instead of these numbers. So what we're going to do is we're just going to set this up as if we were using these numbers to find the trapezoidal approximation. But we're not going to be able to find that number because of k. We're told, however, what the final answer is, so we're just going to have to solve backwards. Try to give this a shot, see if you can get anywhere on your own before watching me do the problem. So what I'm going to look at is I know that when I'm doing my trapezoidal approximation, basically I've got this little sort of graph here. These are all positive, so I can go up here. So 3, 5, 7, 9. And I know that f of x is 11, 6, don't know what it is here, and 2. You don't have to draw this little chart, I just find it helpful. So to do my trapezoidal approximation right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this height plus this height divided by 2, and then times this width here, which from 3 to 5, we just go over 2. So each of these is giving me the height. So I know this height is 11, this height is 6. So my trapezoidal sum is going to be 11 plus 6 over 2, the average of those heights, times the width, which is 2. And now I can just do that same thing for each of these. Each of these is the height of one of the parts of the trapezoid. So we're at 11 plus 6 divided by 2. Now I'm going to find the average of these heights. If this height is k, I don't know what it is, 6 plus k over 2 times 2 plus from k to 2 times 2. Now I'm told that this estimate is 24. So I can say 24, and this is the estimate, so I can say it equals this. We can cancel out these 2's, or if we couldn't cancel them out, we could just distribute it and divide. So we've got 11 plus 6 plus 6 plus k plus 2. Now all we have to do is combine like terms and solve. So 11 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2, 25 plus 2k, subtract 25 from both sides, divide by 2. There we go. Notice that my sketch over here was in fact entirely inaccurate. This point is actually here below the x-axis, but that's okay because I was just drawing a little sketch in order to help me figure out how to write this formula.